Hey guys, welcome back. It's Amanda here, and as you all know, it's not April yet, but check it out, guys. It's raining. It looks like it's April showers now. Hey, where's my rock in there? No, rock. You're supposed to be not in here. Ooh, cool. As you can see, guys, there's a little. I want to let it focus. You can hear something in there. And there's a right there, guys. There's a little hole right there, and there's a little shell. And as you guys know, it's raining. I love you, bro. Yeah. And I need ow. Why is okay, guys? Here's something really amazing. Huh? Yeah. You see that, guys? See, you saw that. That was awesome. I could do that because, my umbrella's broken. Oh, look at it. It's so beautiful. The other time it was raining, I saw a rainbow. Right now, I can see a little bit of mist. Hold on, guys. Yeah, I can see a little bit of mist right there. So, look. I don't think you guys could see it. Oh, look. What is that? This little pine thingy. So right now I'm safe under here. This is a cage of my dog, but he ran away. It's raining. Look, you can hear it. That's just the wind chimes. That's the thing. I don't know what it's called. And here are some pretty amazing things I could show you guys. Having a hard time getting this through. Okay, I don't know if you guys could see it, but there are 4-leaf cloves in there. Like, you see that little one? And I think I saw one. I don't know because they're all ripped up. I don't think there's one right now. There's my cactus plant. And yeah, as you know, guys, my cousins always make fun of me and say what I say in my videos, and I don't think that's right. You know, guys, you know what that's called? That's called bullying. Oh, look at the rain, guys. It's like raining softly, but at the same time, it's raining hard. Hard, but soft little light drops of rain. Ow. Ow. Guys, something pokes me. Okay, I think it's worn off. There's a mud puddle thing. And look, guys, here's a little picture of my grass. My garden. I broke the shovel. With a shovel. Even though there's a house in there, there's my house in the back. And it's California. It's Los Angeles. Los Angeles, California. There's no mail today. And there's my grandpa's truck. You might be thinking it's a little weird because it's purple, but it's just him. And earlier, as I told you guys, I saw some mist and I saw a rainbow, and there's just some lights from the cars over there.